Hey everyone, Luke here. As a D3 baseball player, I faced my share of ups and downs. I've walked people, given up home runs, and just flat out failed more times than you could imagine. But one thing that's really helped me elevate my game is meditation. I started meditating a few years ago after learning about its benefits from Dr. Brett, my sports psychologist. At first, I was skeptical, but I gave it a try and was surprised by how much it helped me. Meditation has taught me how to stay present in the moment, focus on my breath, and let go of negative thoughts. It's like a mental reset button that helps me clear my mind and prepare for the game. Since I started meditating, I've noticed a significant improvement in my performance on the field. I'm more focused, less anxious, and I have a better ability to bounce back from mistakes. Dr. Brett has been a huge mentor to me, and he's always encouraged me to keep practicing meditation. He says that it's a lifelong journey, and the more you do it, the better you'll get. If you're an athlete looking to improve your mental game, I highly recommend trying meditation. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can make a big difference. And if you need some guidance, check out Dr. Brett's book, Tips and Yips.